So friends, today we are going to watch out a magnificent reptiles, that is tortoise. And in this video session, we will learn a little things about tortoise, including its behavioral and the morphological features. So tortoises. Tortoises generally belong to the family Testudinidae of the land-dwelling animals. And their body is generally covered with the exoskeleton, and the topmost portion of the exoskeleton, this topmost portion of the exoskeleton is called carapace. Here is the carapace, and the underlying portion, these underlying portion of its exoskeleton is called palasteron, and the palasteron layer has certain remarkable characters like a V-shaped notch at its terminal portion which facilitate in the egg laying process, and also the carapace layer, which is the topmost layer of or the exoskeleton of this tortoise, is attached with its both vertebrates. Here are the vertebrates of the tortoise, and the carapace layer is attached with its both vertebrates. And the unique feature about these tortoises is also that its pectoral girdles and the pelvic girdles both are inside its rib cage, except all the animals in which the pectoral girdles and the pelvic girdles are outside its or their rib cage. See its mouth. Here are the nostril of this tortoise, and here are the legs. It has nails and claspers, but it's a female tortoise, so it don't has a claspers, as claspers generally aids in the reproduction. Here is the tail of the tortoise, and the tortoises are also a diurnal animals with tendencies to be the corpuscular depending on the ambient temperature, and their size can vary also with few centimeters up to the 2 meters. And the best thing about these tortoises is that the tortoises are the longest living land dwelling animals on this earth, as their lifespan may vary up to 200 years up to 250 years depending upon the species which we have. And the biological things about these tortoises are that the female tortoises dig nesting burrows in which they lay 1 to 30 eggs, and this egg laying process generally occurs or typically occurs in the night. And the size of the egg depends upon the size of the tortoise which we have, and it can also be estimated by examining the width between the cloacal or the width of the cloacal opening between the carapace and the palasteron and the carapace layer. Here's the cloacal opening beneath the tail. And the tortoises often show the sexual dimorphism, that is the presence of the male and female sexes on the different bodies, and the male tortoises are generally smaller than the female tortoises. So we had learned certain things about the tortoises. Now let's see its action. Now, the scientific classification of these tortoises. They generally belong to the kingdom Animalia of the phylum Chordata, and the class is Reptilia, and their order is Testudines, and the suborder is Cryptodira, and the superfamily is Testudinidea, and their family is Testudinae. So, tortoise. See its mouth. A nice glowy. So it's all about the tortoise.